Before we get into all the details of this, there's one step that we need to complete, and it's easier to do it now before you begin creating your contest. It's because it's done on Facebook's developer site, and it is a step to get you a Facebook app ID and an app secret code. And the reason you need these is so the invite function, which uses Facebook, can function properly. So it's quite simple to do that. You can just go to developers.facebook.com and it will take you to a page like this. And the first option, make your app public. So I'm going to click yes to make it public. Click confirm, and it's now public and it works for what we're going to do. So we'll just leave this for now. We may need to come back in a second to the settings page. So that's how you set up the Facebook part of the app. To the dashboard, and you'll see the tab called FB Info. So we'll click into FB Info and we're going to see two URLs here that we need to get, app domains and site URL. So we copy app domains and we jump over into Facebook, and you'll see a field here. This is in settings, basic, where it asks for app domain. So you paste the domain in there and click it like so, so it appears like in the blue box. Then down below we click add platform, click website, go back over into our dashboard here and get the site URL, and you'll see that matches up the field that's asked for here, site URL. Paste it in, and on the bottom right then we click save. Now if we return back to our contest, just refresh it, click connect again, we'll this time see the Facebook window and everything will work properly, and you just click to continue and it enters them into the contest. Now they can invite friends, they can share it to get people to sign up, and that is your first viral contest set up. If I turned on the email function, this would have sent an email to the person who entered his email address, so that helps with things going viral as well. Someone wants to invite friends, they just click the red button here, pops up the friends list then in a new window, and they just click each person from Facebook to invite friends and so on. And that is how you create your contest. There is a little bit of jumping about between Facebook and the app. That's just the way it has to be, because Facebook does require you to get the ID and the different settings, and you have to save your contest before you can get the URLs to enter into these app domains and site URL sections. So that's your first contest up and running. Very simple to do, lots of customization options within the app. And then I'm going to go back to the dashboard now and show you some of the other options you have here. So we show the created date, so you can see when the contest was set up. If you click on the name, it goes in an input field and you can change the contest name, then just click again outside it. So I hit return outside it. It'll save the name. You can click in here to hits and unique hits to see how many total hits you've had and how many unique hits you've had. So if we click into that, we see all that information, where they're from in the world, etc., etc. IP addresses, what links people have gone through, and so on. Return back to our dashboard. We can edit our campaign, we can clone it, we can get our link. FB Info, we can get our entries to see who's entered, and we can delete the contest. So I'm going to just show you the entries, and that's the last part of the demo. So we click on entries, and you'll see this is my entry for my demo account. How many points have been earned, and I can click the mark button here if I want to mark this person as the winner, or whatever reason. You manually pick winners yourself within the app, so it's all very straightforward and easy to do. In the top right then you can click the tools button, which will let you randomize the table, so then you can pick the top result as a random winner, or you can export everything into a CSV file, and that is the entries for each different contest in your account. So that concludes the demo. If you have any questions, you can contact us via the support link on the navigation bar on the left hand side of the app.